record in. Let's go back to the title. Let's top up my little drinky plus. And away we go. Okay, so starting screen, we can customize our units. Give us ourselves a few units to start with, and there we go. Right, so we're straight away into the demo map. Let's move this fella over here, and now you can see we've got a nice new deploy icons. We can deploy, and we've got the cool new deploy sound effects. We've got some subtle menu opening and closing sound effects, and the unit move formation. So let's grab these guys, and we'll move them over there. And you'll see they'll line up into nice little units. You won't really get a feel for it until we've got small buildings down. So let's get small buildings down. Now, as you can see now, it no longer just slaps the building onto our cursor once it's finished. We've got a little button prompt, so we can click on that. Get our building. I'll put it there. Nice little construction noise when you put it down. So let's get a barracks on the go. And this will allow us to build some infantry, and they also have their own portraits and build things. Now obviously this UI is very kind of placeholder, so you would probably want to make your own and make it look a little bit better, but let's get on with the general core process of it. Now another thing that we've done is made it so you can't pan the camera infinitely. So as you notice now, we're at the bottom of the screen. We can go forward, but it won't let us go back any further. So you can lock off the player camera to the play area, so you don't have to worry about what the player's going to be able to see outside of the world. Okay, so we've got our harvester down now. He's going to go and do his thing. Now, remember, experience tells me it's a good idea to have at least 2 of these bad boys on the go. So let's go ahead and do that.
Construction complete.
There we go. Let's get that down.
Cannot deploy here.
There we go.
Construction option.
Right then. So I guess we need some. Well, we're going to need some more power.
Construction complete.
So I'm going to want some base defenses down the line. The reason I'm building the war factory now is because I need the war factory to build the
additional building required.
Static turrets. So let's actually, you know what? I only want you.
Ready for orders, sir.
Let's go move you over there. So I got a I got a Humvee and 2 light tanks, so we can zoom the camera in and out. We now deselect units with the escape key, because the right mouse button is used to pan the camera around. So if I move the cursor to the side without it, it doesn't move. With it, we get some nice smooth camera scrolling. All good. Another feature as well now is we can zoom in and out while placing buildings, which I think is pretty cool, and we can also rotate them too. So I'm going to stick my war factory over here. And I'm also going to wait for these two fellas to come. Actually, you know what? I'll go and build a collector. There we go. So we'll use the collector rather than building another refinery. Actually, you know what? I'm going to sell that refinery as well. So there you go. You've got the cell mechanics. It's really smooth. It's really intuitive. I just hit the S key to go into it, S key to come out of it. You can come out of it with the escape key. We enter repair mode with R, and it's all good. So that harvester's going to go and do his thing now. Another thing I've got as well is I've set it up so the vehicles come out of the war factory building itself rather than spawning outside of it. So
unit ready. Ready for orders, sir.
Come out of the building. I literally the one time I want that. I've got them moving to a random location at the moment. So occasionally they do get stuck in there, but I probably should have a spawn point, a waypoint, so they'll go out of there to there and then to a random location.
Unit ready. Unit reporting.
But I want players to like kind of make their own AI really. I'm providing the framework and all the stuff for like selecting your troops and all that jazz, but I'm kind of hoping that people will create their own framework for their units. And there we go. You see they've all moved into formation there, which is pretty sweet. Got these 2 fellas over there. Let's go and send you off to explore. Okay, what are we missing? Let's get a radar sensor on the go, because we have entirely too much power. So let's get something that's going to sap it. Another feature of the radar sensor as well is it's going to reveal a bunch of the terrain for us. So it's going to get rid of a lot of this fog of war around our base. Currently, it's probably a little bit OP because I recently adjusted the scale of the game, so it's about a quarter size to what it was previously. So this radar sensor does reveal entirely too much. I'm not going to lie. It's probably going to, at this point, it's going to reveal the entire map. So yeah, we can zoom in and out while we're placing, we can rotate the building, we can really kind of fine tune where we want to put it. I think like that looks pretty good. Ah, it might be
Unit
play the
under attack. Training.
like now we can build medium tanks. These guys should be able to hold their own. Oh my days, the enemy has actually got a lot of dudes there.
Engaging target. Unit ready.
Get that guy. Get the
Orders
tanks.
received.
Prioritize the tanks, people.
Orders received. Target confirmed.
Oh god, they got medium tanks already.
Unit under attack.
I knew I made the AI. No, get this guy.
Unit attack. Unit under attack.
Get this guy. I knew I'd made the AI
Unit under attack.
build pretty quick, but I didn't realize it would build that quick.
Unit lost. Under attack.
You guys should be able to hold your own against those, I reckon.
Unit under
When
attack.
one gets attacked, he's going to call out to his
Under
buddies
attack.
and say, this guy's attacking me.
Unit
And
under
they'll all
attack.
engage. There we go. Lovely. So we managed to hold off the first
Training.
onslaught. I don't know why I'm saying they've got medium tanks already. We clearly have some too. Give me you
Commander.
guys.
Unit ready.
Get over
Fire.
here. Because they're building up more forces at this point. So basically the enemy AI currently is set up so they'll build troops. Once they hit a certain number of troops, I'll send them off to a rally point. There they go. Once that rally point hits a certain capacity,
Training.
it will then deploy them against the player. So I've got a feeling we're gonna get hit again in a minute.
Unit ready.
I
Training.
need to get as many medium tanks out as I possibly can to get another
Building.
war factory. Yeah, they're mobilizing troops. Yep. This raid I'll send out
Unit
has
ready.
revealed entirely too much of the terrain. And see, as the waves increase as well, they'll get more and more. Oh, here they come. Dear good. Right, let's. Oh, I can't build any turrets because I got a war factory building. Right, fellas,
Standing by.
join the
Fire.
fight.
Construction complete.
Let's put that down quick.
Under attack.
Yeah.
Under attack. Unit under attack. Engaging unit. Under attack.
Get that guy.
Enemy. Unit under attack. Engaging target. Unit under attack. Unit under attack.
Now they got
Under
some
attack.
fire support.
Unit under attack. Unit under
They should be able to be pretty hands off with this, and they should.
Unit.
There we go, find their own targets.
Unit under attack.
Oh yes, that's working pretty well.
Unit under attack. Under attack. Under attack.
Oh, lovely stuff. Right then, let's show off the formation move
Unit
a bit more.
under attack. Moving to
Let's do
location.
that. What's going on? Oh, is it you two over there? Oh, okay. So yeah, like as you can see, they all form up
Affirmative.
in formations when you click to destinations, which is pretty sweet. Okay, so let's get a tech center on the go, and let's get some more medium
Training.
tanks because we're gonna get
Unit ready. Training.
mullered in a minute. Like, yeah, they're already building up more forces.
Unit ready. Training.
Right, let's do this.
Unable to comply. Training. Building in progress. Unit ready. Training. Unit ready. Training. Unit ready. Training. Unit ready. Construction complete.
Drop that tech center down.
Commander.
Actually, no, we don't want to get all units. Let's grab you lot
Ready for orders, sir.
and reform
Compliant.
you. Oh, that's the thing of beauty, watching them all wiggle to their little respective places. Okay, so we're pretty sorted there,
Unit
so...
lost. Under building. Under attack.
Dear good. Oh god, they're coming again!
Unit under attack.
That's fine, he can fend for himself over there.
Unit lost. Unit under attack. Under attack. Unit under attack. Unit under attack. Unit under attack.
There we go. Let's just go. I'm going to be completely hands off, and I'm just going to trust that they're going to do the right thing
Under attack.
and not get systematically slaughtered.
Under attack. Under attack. Construction complete.
Oh, got my turret ready. Okay, let's whop this down.
Under attack. 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 Unit under attack. Under attack.
There we go. Alright, let's reform you up.
Yes, sir. Roger.
Repair that.
Repairing.
Oh, this is working too well. Alright, let's get another
Building.
turret down. Yeah, building up units. Recording. Let's go back to the title. Let's top up my little drinky plus. And away we go. Okay, so let's just get rid of that. Let's go back to the title. Machine, which scene are we supposed to be on? Recording. That's one of the media source. Okay, let's back to the title. All right, let's get rid of that. I'm not Captain Streamer Man. Okay, so here we go. All right then. I have made a few changes since the previous build. I've notably made the delay on their spawning of buildings a little bit longer. So hopefully we won't encounter them having nuclear missile silos in the first 5 minutes. But you know, let's get on and see what happens. While it loads up, I'm just going to pop to the bathroom. Right then, let's go. So, what are we doing? We are going to have a little bosh. I'm going to just top up me drink a little bit, because a little bit of commander juice goes a long way when you're playing an RTS. Now, they have a habit of stomping me. The AI in this is pretty brutal, so we're going to start with 10 units.
Unit reporting.
First thing we're going to do is going to move our MCV to a nice free space, and then we'll deploy it. So click to deploy MCV. Lovely.
Building.
Right, let's get our dudes, and again we'll show off the formation move, so we'll send them over there. And they'll all get into their nice little group formation. Lovely stuff. We'll cancel out of that, so we've not got them selected anymore. We'll take that power plant and we'll put it there, and we're going to build another one for good measure. Because there's one thing I've learned from Command & Conquer games, is you cannot have too much power. So let's get them as close together as we can, and we'll go ahead and jump on the refinery bandwagon, because a barracks would be nice to have, but we already have a few troops. So I think we can jump right into refinery territory. So let's grab that, and we'll splat it down.
Cannot deploy here. 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 New construction option.
Oh,
Building.
and we got. Why do we have low power?
Construction complete.
Let's put the power plant down just in case. There we go. what next? Well, we need a barracks before we can build the war factory, but I did want to get a refinery in place just so we could get some money. So let's put that barracks there, and now we can get a war factory on the go. Lovely jubbly. So it's all coming together quite nicely right now. I just hope I don't get nuked in the first 5 minutes like I did earlier. Come on, war factory, you take entirely too long to build, but that is nobody's fault but my own. So what I'm going to do is roll a cheap cigarette. I don't condone smoking. Don't suggest anyone takes it up as a hobby, but I already have, so, you know, it is what it is. There we go, that's going to be done any second now. That's the ducker. Alright, let's pop you down here. I want to build like a nice little... I want to have my base segmented, you know, into purposeful sections. So let's get another power plant.
Low power.
Yeah, I know, low power. Right, there we go. Alright, so let's chuck you down there. There we go, now we've got a decent amount of power. Let's get another war factory, and while we're waiting for that war factory to build, one thing I didn't do was get 2 refineries. So instead of having 2 refineries, we'll just build a collector from the war factory, and that should share quite happily the refinery we already have.
Unit ready.
There we go. So where's that collector? Yep, he's going off to do his business. Sweet. Alright, so let's get this war factory plonked down. And what that will allow us to do is build units twice as quickly. Well, it deducts a second from the build time for every war factory you have. There we go. Alright, let's get some tanks on the go. And maybe another collector. Because you can never have too many collectors. And we've got these nice little portraits now that show you the loading progress and exactly what you're building. Rather than just a blue bar. What we do is put some outlines on the text. But anyway, we've got some decent units now, so hopefully if we get assaulted, we should be able to withstand the onslaught. So let's get a radar center down. It's a choice at the moment between radar center and defenses, but I'd rather be able to see what's coming my way and prepare for it with units than rely on static defenses. So yeah, we've got the nice little zoom in, zoom out, and I've tried to make the models on the buildings like as detailed as I possibly can. And if you get like feather the edges, you can change the scroll speed, which I think is pretty cool.
Construction complete.
Alright, let's get that. Let's zoom out. I'm going to put you over here. I like my little power town down here. Now we need tech center, but that means I'm not going to be able to build any units for a while. So let's get some cheapo ones.
Unit ready. Training.
Go.
Unit ready. Training.
He's just got into the other.
Unit ready. Training.
I can get 6 of these. I got another row.
Unit ready. Training.
Well, that's
Standing Roger. Unit ready.
5
Training.
and 6.
Commander. Unit Commander. Wilco.
And they should form up a nice little row behind them ones. Oh yes, I love it when a plan comes together. Right, this tech center is going to be finished any second now.
Construction complete.
So we'll drop it down here. Now the question is, do we focus defense on...
Insufficient funds.
Actually, oh, they're going to hit me, ain't they? Right, let's get a nuclear power plant. This could be a massive mistake. Alright, they're still forming up at that rally point. So we don't have to worry too much yet. They haven't built a nuclear plant. Oh god. Where are you guys going? No. Oh no. Okay, they're beginning their attack. This is a very bad time to be doing that. I need some more tanks. I need some tanks. Oh no, I know I've got low power. Well, that's as far away from my fucking base as possible.
Unit under attack. Unit training. Unit under attack.
Yeah, they seem to be holding their own just
ready.
fine over there. We'll get them some reinforcement.
Unit under attack.
I can build heavy tanks now though.
Unit ready. Unit attack. Unit under attack. Under attack. Unit reporting. Unit under attack. Unit under attack. Orders received. Unit under attack. Roger.
Alright, fall back up. Oh, is that not just a thing of bloody beauty? That is sexually satisfying.
Building.
Right, we need some...
Unable to comply.
Right,
Building in progress.
bloody turret. We need some reach out and touch you capabilities, so I think some airfields are going to be next on the agenda. I don't know where to put them though, because I don't want to put anything in range with this power plant. Now I've stuck it here, all this empty space is now kind of denied to me.
Unit under attack.
Space is now kind of...
Construction complete.
There we go. I should be able to put this down. Alright, let's get some of these. Alright, you guys,
For orders, sir.
fall
On
back
my
a little
way.
bit. Let's see if we can handle this with static defenses alone. It's starting to build back up again. But yeah, I think that holding off that wave has kind of slowed them down a little bit. So I'm going to get some static defenses. And if I hear any talk of nuclear missiles, we're going to immediately
Construction complete.
divert to airfields.
Building.
Right, so let's get another static turret down. I could probably reduce the build time on these a little bit, because they do seem to take quite a while to build. But then again, they are the most powerful defense you have available to you at the moment, so... It's very much swings and roundabouts.
Construction
Right, let's drop this
complete.
propeller down. Oh, not a moment too soon.
Building. Unit under attack. Our base is under attack.
Oh, look at those little turrets go!
Our base is under attack. Under attack. Under attack. Our base is under attack. Our base is under attack. Our base is under attack.
Let's repair our building.
Under attack. Repairing. 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 Unit. And our base is under attack. Under attack. Unit. Under attack. Unit. Under attack.
Oh, I don't know what's going on. Quite going on there with the vehicles. Right, let's get you lot
Unit
back.
reporting. On my way.
And let's build another
Building.
gun. Should have enough power now.
Construction complete.
Once that's done, I'm going to presume they're going to be able to hold their own for there for a while, so now I'm going to focus on actually building the base.
Building.
And I think some airfields is going to be step one in that. We definitely need some aerial bombardment
Low
capability
power.
if they're going to build nuclear silos. Just check in. They haven't got a tech center just yet.
Construction complete. Low power.
Oh shit, really?
New construction option.
Well, let's get another nuke
Building.
plant then. I mean, let's face it. If one goes off in my base, it's as bad as two going off in my
Low
base.
power.
Yeah, I know, low power.
Low power.
I get it. We've got low power.
Construction complete. Low power.
There we go. That should sort my power out for a while. Alright, let's get some more airfields. Oh, here they come. So I'm see how well my defense is going to hold out.
Unit under attack. Our base unit is under attack. Under attack. Construction complete.
Oh, I'm not going to repair anything just yet. I'm going to wait and see.
Our base under attack. Under attack. Our base is under attack. Under attack. Under attack. Unit lost.
Their waves are definitely getting stronger.
Our base is under attack. Unit under attack. Under attack. Unit under attack.
Come on. Oh, wait, my airfield's
Under
ready.
attack. Unit under attack. Under attack. Unit under attack. Orders received. Orders received. Engaging target. Commander. Orders received. Standing by. Unit reporting. Wilco. Hostile confirmed. Target confirmed.
I don't know what is going on with the jets.
Target confirmed.
Will you attack that? I said, I didn't mind attacking that. Okay, gear.
Repairing. Unit reporting. Ready for orders, sir. Ready for orders, sir. Moving to
Alright,
location.
get back over there. Alright, get back on patrol.
Building.
These jets are purely for if they have nuke silos. They don't have a tech center yet. Oh, I'm gonna hit that nuclear power plant. That's gonna put them out of commission.
Our base is under attack.
Shit, okay.
Unit under attack. Repairing. Construction complete. Repairing. 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 Building.
Get another one.
Yes, sir. Complying.
I want to see how well the base defenses just hold out on their own. Oh god, they're coming again.
Construction complete. Base under attack. Under attack. Yes, sir. Unit under attack. Under attack. Unit under attack. Engaging.
Get that nuclear plant.
Our base under attack.
I want to see what happens.
Our base is under attack.
That was nowhere near it!
Our base is under attack. Repairing. Repairing. Our base is under attack. Repairing. Unit repairing. Under attack. Repairing. Repairing.
What is going on with this fella?
Our base is under attack.
Oh, it didn't last long. I think there's a bug with the bombers. Yeah, look.
Standing by. Hostile confirmed. Engaging target. Hostile confirmed.
Oh, where you fellas doing?
Under attack.
Now you should return to base.
Repairing.
Yeah.
Repairing.
Very strange.
Standing by. Standing by. Orders received. Orders received. Detected. 2 minutes till launch. Under attack.
Shit.
Yes, sir. Under attack. Unit under attack. Moving to attack.
No, why are you dropping the bombs in midair? Okay, alright, guys. We gotta...
Ready for orders, sir.
We gotta move.
Engaging target. Repairing. Target confirmed.
Well, it's now the jets have landed.
Engaging target. Under attack. Hostile confirmed. Unit under attack. On my way.
Alright, we need to build some
Training.
heavies.
Roger. Unit under attack. Under attack. Unit under attack. Unit ready. Under attack. Under attack. Under attack. Unit under attack. Under attack. Unit under attack.
I may not have balanced the ranges quite properly on these units.
Under attack. Moving to location. Under attack. Will do. Unit repairing. Under attack. Moving to location. Under attack. Confirm. Under attack. Unit under attack. Engaging target.
Alright, that's not...
Under attack. Under attack. Unit under attack. Under attack. Engaging enemy. Unit under attack. Under attack. Under attack.
Yeah, let's not go for the
Under attack.
nuclear power plant right now.
Unit under attack. Under attack.
Let's see that construction going.
Under attack. Under attack. Target confirmed. Unit affirmative. Under attack. Complying. Moving to location. Under attack. Engaging enemy. Unit. Attack. Engaging enemy.
Oh, come on.
Under attack. Under attack. Engaging target. Unit. Under attack. Under attack. Under attack. Repairing. Unit. Repairing. Under attack. Unit. Under attack. Will go. Unit. Under attack. Engaging enemy. Under attack. Unit. Orders received. Under attack. Repairing. Orders received. Under attack. Unit. Under attack. Engaging target. Unit. Under attack. Repairing. Go. Moving to attack. Will go.
If we can take out enough of these power stations, then we'll be able to use their
Repairing.
defenses.
Will go. Hostile confirmed. Repairing. Unit lost. Under attack. Orders received. Unit under attack. Engaging enemy.
That's it. Total that barracks.
Target confirmed.
Shit, no, we need to deal with the missile silo. That's it.
Target confirmed. Unit under attack. Repairing. Under attack. Moving to attack. Unit under attack. Unit under attack. Under attack. Engaging enemy. Engaging target. Under attack.
Oh, the bombers keep
Repairing.
coming back every now and
Moving
then.
to attack. Orders received. Repairing. Under attack. Hostile confirmed. Unit under attack. Will go.
Alright, I think we've crippled their ability to fight back now.
Repairing. Moving to attack. Unit under attack. Repairing. Hostile confirmed. Target unit confirmed. Under attack. Moving to attack. Orders received.
Right, I'm gonna need some volunteers out of you guys to take out that nuclear power plant.
Affirmative.
Actually,
Repairing.
can leave that to the Air Force.
Unit reporting. Target confirmed.
Why are you missing so badly? Right, you guys,
For orders, sir. Target confirmed.
you're our
Repairing.
sacrificial
Repairing.
lambs. Actually, you know what?
Commander.
That's...
Ready for orders, sir. Standing by. Ready for orders, sir.
Spread some of you guys out and get like
Unit
a...
lost. Under attack.
Oh, so
Mission
that's the width of
accomplished.
the explosion. And there we have it, in a nutshell, folks. The
Yes, sir.
the
Compliant.
CNC style RTS construction kit. I mean, I don't really know what else to say about it, really. I mean, it's not fancy. It's
Construction
a bare
complete.
bones kit, just like any other template you get from Unreal. But it
Building.
gives you all the stuff you need to get going with making your own RTS. The ability to build bases, the ability to control units. I mean, look, they're all disorganized. We'll
Yes,
select them
sir.
all.
On my way.
We'll move them to a location. We got our little selection icons. We got our UI for the health and all that stuff. And it's all pre-built and set up for you. They get into their own little formations. It really just is what it is. You either like it or you don't. If you want it, I will be making the demo available, so keep an eye on the description of this video if you're watching it like after the stream's ended. There'll probably be a link
Cannot
to the demo
deploy
in
here.
there.
Cannot deploy here. New
We upgrade
construction
the
option.
radius of our base, and the base grows as we put more build stuff.
See,
So
you're the boss.
yeah, that's pretty much it, really. We've got the options. If you need to look at the options, you can skip songs and close the dock.
Building.
And we've got the little building icons up here. I mean,
Construction complete.
and obviously you can't
Cannot
put
deploy here.
obviously you can't put a building down top of another building, but apparently you can.
Building.
I don't know what's called it now. Let's
Construction
see if we can do
complete.
that again.
Cannot deploy here.
Yeah, we can do it again for some reason.
Building.
Alright, that's something I'm gonna have to have a look into.
Construction
Can we
complete.
do that with other
New
buildings?
construction option. Building.
Why is that happening?
Construction complete. Cannot deploy here. 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 Construction option.
So it doesn't have on the MCV. Okay, that's interesting. Alright, that's something I have to look into. I didn't realize that was a thing, so that might delay the demo a little bit, but if you made it this far into the video, I hope you like, subscribe and all that jazz, and I'm going to go and fix those issues, and I'll be back.